Hello! Today we have an unboxing of the LED Rechargeable Keychain Light. This thing has many different functions. It functions as a seatbelt cutter, a whistle, a screwdriver, a cigarette lighter, and a keychain, of course. This is what it looks like. It has a built-in rechargeable battery with Type-C charging, and it has 6 different modes for the light. It has warm light low, white low light, red light, flashing red. So let's unbox it and check it out. This right now was on sale on Amazon for $7.99. I received it next day, and I have heard really good things about it. And it comes in many different colors, so I chose the green. So I have the green here. Oh, and it comes with the cable, and it's magnetic in the back. Something's magneticking it, this. Okay, this looks like it's the... So this is the power buttons. Let's see, this is the charger. Looks like we have the screwdrivers here. So let's see, how do we open this? Doesn't come with any instructions in the box, so we must just have to be able to figure it out. Oh, there we go. Okay. This pulls back. Yeah, this just pulls back like this. Then you can access the screwdriver, and then you place the screwdriver there. It's magnetic, and it fits in there, and then boom, screwdriver. And then replace that. And then for this, see if it, oh, we've got the blue light, and there it's glowing red. Turn that off, and then we'll close this up. See, is that hot? Ooh, it is hot. Okay, and then we'll check out the light. So the light is the top button. So we should have the 6 different light functions. So let's see if they're in the same order that they are on the box. Wow. And yep, looks like those were the same order as the box. And look at what we have at the bottom. A bonus, a bottle opener. Doesn't say anything about a bottle opener. Oh, that's the whistle. I believe that's the whistle, actually. Oh, no, this is the whistle. This is the whistle here. Oh, wow. That's actually pretty legit. So this is the bottle opener, I believe. That it doesn't even say it has. It says nothing about a bottle opener. And then the seatbelt cutter is this right here. So if you get in an accident and you can't get out, you can, boom, whip this on your seatbelt. And it's magnetic so that it can magnetize onto any surface, and you can have it ready to go as kind of a survival aspect to your prepping kit, or just put it by your front door. I'm gonna put this in my bag that my little like side bag that I take with me, and I'm stoked to have this as an addition to my daily. If I need something like this, I'm gonna have it now. I mean, I don't really know how often I need any of these items, but when you do, it's gonna come in handy. And so that's my unboxing and my initial review, and that's what comes in the box. And there's my cat, Mr. Phoenix. Thanks, guys.